3, 2, 1.
What requires photosynthesis to grow? The answer is B, local flora. Which of Santa's 8 legendary reindeer is Rudolph's father according to the Rudolph Christmas Classic? The answer is A, Donner. What character is featured in John Sandford's third series of novels, which includes The Fool's Run and The Empress File? The answer is B, a computer whiz operating somewhat outside the law. What two colors are mixed together to get orange? The answer is A, red and yellow. What is the birth name of actor Jack Nicholson? The answer is B, John Nicholson. You stick it if you can't tuck it. What is it? The answer is A, safety pin. Which operating system was initially called Interim Operating System? The answer is A, Windows. What is the primary use of a protractor? The answer is A, for measuring angles. The Grand Canyon isn't a mountain, it's a part of what?
The answer is A, river.
Ocean currents, prevailing wind patterns, and other atmospheric disturbances are initially caused by which of these? The answer is C, incoming solar radiation. When did Dr. Martin L. King, Jr. win Time magazine's Man of the Year award? The answer is C, 1963. Creep, which usually takes place where the ground freezes and thaws frequently, involves movement of particles due to what force? The answer is D, gravity. Which day in a year has both the least and the most hours? The answer is B, summer solstice. Which household item is used to cut paper? The answer is A, scissors. What is split to produce nuclear energy? The answer is D, atoms. What is the charge on a single electron known as? The answer is B, elementary charge. Which athlete won gold medals in 3 different Olympics for swimming? The answer is A, Michael Phelps. Which nut has a hard shell and is often roasted and salted as a snack? The answer is D, peanut. What is the meaning of the Latin motto Video et Tessio, which was one of the favorite mottos of Queen Elizabeth I and largely defined her political strategy? The answer is B, I see and say nothing. Which African country has the highest GDP gross domestic product according to 2008 estimates? The answer is B, South Africa. Which can happen during an experiment that might be dangerous? The answer is A, lemon juice splashing. In order to get to Diagon Alley, Hagrid and Harry Potter had to pass through a pub first. What is the name of the pub? The answer is C, the Leaky Cauldron. Who is the Celtic god of the underworld and rebirth? The answer is B, Ogma. Two earthquakes with epicenter in northeast Arkansas caused landslides and geological changes along the Mississippi River. On what date did these two earthquakes take place? The answer is C, December 16, 1811. When Hawkeye from the series M*A*S*H has a severe case of insomnia, he comes to believe that the war will end if he gives what to the North Koreans? The answer is C, latrine. Which architect designed the Fallingwater House in Pennsylvania, USA? The answer is A, Frank Lloyd Wright. In The Legend of Zelda: Majora's Mask, how many days do you have until the moon crashes down on Temina? The answer is A, 3. What is the name for all the chemical reactions that take place in the body? The answer is B, metabolism. Amino acid units in a protein are connected by what bonds? The answer is C, peptide. What is a hot, humid wind from the tropics called? The answer is D, monsoon. What are one of the most abundant organic molecules in living systems and have the most diverse range of functions of all macromolecules? The answer is A, proteins. A student researches the occurrence of attached versus unattached earlobes in his family. Which potential title will best reflect the contents of the report? The answer is C, heredity of earlobe types. With which sport is Stirling Moss associated? The answer is D, motor racing. Who sings the theme song for Shaft? The answer is B, Isaac Hayes. Which language family includes the most isolate languages? The answer is C, Austronesian. What helps you to see clearly? The answer is B, glasses. Which gas is used to put out fires in hospitals? The answer is B, carbon dioxide. In Animal House, before giving Larry and Kent their Delta names, Bluto gives names to two other pledges. What is the name of the guy just before Larry? The answer is C, Mothball. Who holds the record for fastest marathon run in a Santa suit? The answer is D. Evan Pritchard. Carbon dioxide is a very common pollutant. Approximately how much carbon dioxide is produced by the average American each year? The answer is B. 22 tons. The hemolymph and body cells exchange chemicals within what body part? The answer is C. The sinuses. The set of real numbers x that satisfy the property P is called a what? The answer is C. Function. What is the main ingredient in boxty cakes, a traditional Irish dish? The answer is D. Potatoes. What is soft, warm, and covers your head in winter? The answer is A. Beanie. In which Stephen King story do we meet the evil Randolph Flagg? The answer is C. The Stand. Which search engine was created by Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 1998? The answer is D. Google. Which type of light refraction occurs when a ray passes from a denser to a rarer medium? The answer is A. Normal refraction. What is the name of the asteroid belt found between Mars and Jupiter? The answer is C. Asteroid belt. What is the product of 5/6 and 3/4? The answer is A. 15/24. What always comes once a minute, twice a day, and never comes at night?